Hello everyone, this is CA Sandeep Modi. Welcome to our YouTube channel CA Sansaar. Today in this video we are going to learn if-else statements with and or conditions. So let's start the video. My first condition is that um, bonus will only be given if the salary is below 100 or equal to 100. So, if statements take three arguments. First is logic, and second is if the logic is true, it will take what value should come, and if the logic is false, what value should come. That is the third argument. So here logic is that salary should be less than or equal to 100. This is the logic, and if that logic is true, we will get it here yes. So true value is yes, comma inverted bracket open and no for false we are writing here. As you can see we got the answer because as salary is more than 100, that's why it's coming no, bonus will not be given. If I drag the formula you will get all the answer. Here 99 is there, then also it's coming yes, here yes is coming, here if I write 101 it will be no. So this was simple if condition with single condition. Now if you have multiple conditions, for example, let me hide this. I'm hiding. If you want this sheet or Excel sheet also, please write in the comment box. I will provide you if you anyone requires. Here multiple condition. Let's see how we can put multiple condition in if statement. Bonus will be given if salary is below 100 or equal to 100 and the person is in Mumbai. Here I'm using and. And stands where both the conditions are true, then only bonus will be given. Meaning salary should be below 100 and person should be living in Bombay. Here formula is if bracket open, again bracket open for and. In and we will put two condition logic. First is this should be greater than or equal to 100. This is my first logic. Second logic is that place should be equal to Mumbai. Here as you can see I am writing B9 equal to inverted commas Mumbai, and this Mumbai you can write in caps also, small also, it's not case sensitive. I am closing the bracket and now my logic test starts, and and this is my logic test over. Now for now I am closing and statement formula. Now my two statement. If both my condition are true, then what value should come? It should come yes, inverted commas. Now my two statement is over. I am putting comma. If if even one condition is false, then what value should come? It's no. Then enter. As you can see, if I am copy pasting this formula, you will get it here only Mumbai and here Mumbai. If I change this to Mumbai, then also this is not fulfilled, and here also this is Delhi, that's why if I change Delhi to Mumbai it will be yes. So let me do Ctrl Z again, and as you can see this is for and. Now let's come to if statement with or condition. Here condition we want to put bonus will only be given if the salary is below 100 or equal to 100 or the person is in Mumbai. Here two conditions are that salary is below 100 or the person is in Mumbai. So these two conditions we have to put. We will write if bracket open or bracket open. My first logic is that salary should be greater than less than or equal to 100. This is my first condition. Second condition is that place should be equal to Mumbai. Bracket close, comma. Now my two value, if it's true, yes should come. I'm writing yes, comma. Now my false value, it's no. Bracket close, enter. As you can see, we are getting the value. Here it's Delhi, then also it's coming yes because salary is below 100. Here it's Mumbai and salary is above 100, then also yes because one condition is fulfilled, which is Mumbai. and here both the conditions are fulfilled, then also it's coming yes here, and here also yes is coming because both the conditions are fulfilled. This is the difference between yes and no. Let me highlight it. This part is the difference between and or condition. Here both the conditions should be fulfilled. Here even if one condition is fulfilled, then also it's giving an yes. This is how you can use if statement with and or. Now let's learn how to use multiple if statements together. Let me hide this. If you want this sheet, write in the comment box. I will share this Excel sheet with you. If you have any doubts, please write on the comment box. We are happy to help you. I'm just hiding this. Now, let's solve one problem. Salary, percentage of bonus depending on the salary. For example, if you want to declare a bonus here, if salary is between 0 to 100, you will give rupees 10. If it's between 100 to 200, you will give rupees 20. If it's between 200 to 300, you will give him 30 rupees. And if it's above 300, you will give him 45 rupees. So how can we put this in formula? This can be this formula, multiple if statements can be very helpful for doing income tax working also on the basis of slab rate. This formula which I am showing is for 2016 and above version of Excel. For 2013 and below version, that formula also I will provide you after this showing you this formula. Here we will use if as statement, comma. Here what argument it takes multiple logic. If the logic is true, what value should come, and then other logic. First logic is that this should be greater than, if it's greater than or equal to 300, this is first logic. If it's greater than 300, 45 it should come. Value, if it's true, it's coming here. Now my second test, if again this is greater than or equal to 200, comma, 30 should come, comma. Now my third logic is, if this is greater than or equal to 100, 20 should come, comma. Now if this is less than 100, now here as you can see I'm not putting equal to sign 100. That is important because equal to 100 is already covered in 20. So I'm putting C9 is less than 100, then 10 rupees bonus should come, and then bracket close. This is how you can use multiple if statements in single formula. This is for 2016 and above version, and now for 2013 and below version, formula is, let me hide it. Answer will come same, but just the formula will differ. Here you are using multiple if statements together. If my first test is that this should be greater than or equal to 300. If its value is 2, 45 will come. If it's false, I'm again putting if statement. This is my second if statement, where C9 should be greater than or equal to 200. If value is 2, we are getting 30, comma. Now I will be putting third if statement, comma. If this is greater than or equal to 100, this is the logic. If value is 2, we are putting 20. If value is false, we are putting 10. Now here as you can see, I am first if statement bracket close, second if statement bracket close, third if statement bracket close, enter, and we got the formula. And as you can see, with both the formulas we are getting the same answer. So this is how you can use if statements with and or, and how can you put multiple conditions in a formula. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked our video, please like, share, subscribe our channel. Thank you very much, and if you have any doubts, please write on the comment box. We are happy to help you. Thank you.